It's a new week, a fresh start, and I'm here once again with your motivation. I'm going to be decluttering some clothes, then we are going to come back here because it is Flylady Zone 2, the kitchen this week, and last but not least, your choice of 4 self-care missions. Ready to get motivated? Let's dive in. Diane in Denmark here, rah, rah, rah. I'm a routines coach, time management, and I am helping you to simplify and thrive this year. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to a swap party next week and I want to declutter some scarves, maybe some coats. Make sure that you've got the usual 3 bags or boxes, 1 bag or box for your put away items, anything that you find right now that needs to be put away at the end of our session, maybe belongs in a different room. 1 bag or box for any kind of obvious trash or recycling that you find, and 1 bag or box for your donations. I've got my IKEA bag ready to go for the donations, and when I was going through the hall cupboard last week, remember we were in Flylady Zones 5 and 1, I thought, oh, there's probably some scarves that I can let go of now. You know, in Denmark we have had such a long winter and it's been so cold, so I'm just finally now, I actually wore a scarf the other day, but hoping to put away at least the winter scarves. So I'm just going to quickly go through this one, my little fluffy hood. This is a great one. This is really great. So I'm keeping this one. The blue scarf was from a swap, but I've realised, you know what, I'm not so keen into, you know, kind of navy. I really like the bright colours. I'm a type 1-4 in the Dressing Your Truth system. If you want to see how that can give you a fantastic capsule wardrobe, check it out. There's a free course. Okay, this one, I haven't used it. And I saw the other day there was a tiny hole, but I've managed to mend it. So I think this one I can let go of. And it is nice, and it is one of my colours for this year, aqua. It's got wee sequins on it, but I'm not using it, so that can go too. Okay, this one is a definite keeper. I've used this one a lot. And I've noticed that I really like the kind of fluffy scarves. So those are keepers. Also my red one is a keeper. And then the ones that are in the box. This has been in the hall cupboard, but now I think I can move it out of the hall cupboard. Okay, the pink one, yes. The red, yes. The yellow, yes. The aqua, another aqua one. Let me just have a look. And I've got this kind of stripy one. Call this my Doctor Who stripy scarf. Yeah, that can stay. And a yellow one. And yellow isn't one of my colours for my wardrobe this year. I've moved out all the colours that I don't feel brilliant in. Like, I don't have any brown. Obviously, no black in my wardrobe. And my main colours are pink, red, blues, aqua and white. But I do actually quite like the yellow scarves, not yellow tops or not yellow jackets. So this one, this kind of bright yellow and the more kind of banana colour, that can stay. Plus the kind of French blue scarf, yeah, I love that one. So all those are keepers. And this one, I think I'll keep this aqua one right now. Okay, so I've got two scarves for the swap. And I've also been swapping over my coats because we're no longer below freezing. And I've just washed this one, so that one can go back into storage. This is one of my favourite ones I wear all the time. And that's why I like the coloured scarves, because when we have like 8 months of winter here in Denmark, it's nice. Whoop! I've just dropped them all. It's nice to be able to change it up. And this coat, I've just put this through the wash. It's not meant to be machine wash, it's meant to be dry cleaned, but I never bother dry cleaning anything. I just kind of put them on a very gentle cycle. And the only other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a shave, a little haircut, then that can go into storage. I really like this one. I like the colour of this one. Isn't it beautiful? Right, and this one has been down here in storage, but it's kind of floppy. It's a more kind of no, actually I've got better ones. There's no kind of structure to it. So this one can go to the swap. Yeah. This one actually came from a swap. Right, this one, I think I'm going to put this on probation. This was also a swap item. The only problem with me trying it on is the microphone might go a bit weird. Let's see. I'm putting that one on probation. That one I'm not sure about. And when I say on probation, it means that I will force myself to wear it, make myself wear it, because quite often I'll get a kind of very fast hit on whether I want to keep it or not. Another of my winter coats, this one is going in the wash. This is a keeper. And again, I'll just do it in the washing machine on a very light, like 15-minute cycle. Okay, this one, which was also from a swap party, I have it's a kind of raincoat, but I think now I've had my fun with it, and it does have the kind of big collar. But I've got my Marks and Spencer's raincoat one, the navy blue, and that one suits all my needs. So this one can go to the swap. Remember, and check the pockets of your coats and things like handbags, so you're not leaving any snotty hankies or money in them. So that's straight in the bag for the swap. Okay, here's another one which is very kind of floppy, and it's far too long, and I was thinking of taking it up, but you know what? No, that I've had enough of that one. And Vibeke was a bit interested in that, so I think actually I'll put it in my swimming bag for next time I see Vibeke. Ooh, the end is in sight. This one I am currently wearing. It's from Marks and Spencer's, and I like it because it's a kind of spring weight. It isn't lined, and if I want it to be a wee bit warmer, I wear my little white puffer jacket underneath. But that one is definite keeper. Look at the colour, beautiful. And this one from Marks and Sparks. I haven't worn it this winter. And just the thought of it, it's navy. It is navy, it's not black. But just the thought of it makes me, I really like having, you know, all my footwear is white, or I've also got a few pairs of gold sandals. And I really like my outerwear to be white or bright as well. So I think this one can say goodbye. No, look at that, no. I feel like a stockbroker or something. And I have one more which was down here in storage, and that's coming up to be worn now the weather's getting better. This is my jacket. You know, I am an ice swimmer, competitive ice swimmer, and this is my International Ice Swimming Association jacket. I'm of course in the Denmark branch, and it's even got my name on it. Look at that. And this is one of those shell jackets, you know, sporty ones, windproof, waterproof. So that is coming up. And talking of coming up, let's get back into the kitchen. But several things for the swap party. This one is on probation, and one coat for the wash. Right, let's go. Okay, we are back up here in the kitchen. And a few wee pointers for this week. Now, if you want me to clean along with you, declutter along with you, it's all in a playlist. And at the beginning of the year, in the winter, we did 2 full rounds in each of the Flylady Zones. So if you want me to work along with you, clean along with you, I'll put the playlist up there and down below. I like to keep things fun. Just aim for 10 minutes of cleaning. See how you get on with that, and then if you've got more time, you can go back to it. We don't need to be spending all day cleaning. And as I said, I try and go for 10 minutes, and it's really nice to get that done at the beginning of the week. But make sure that you've done your weekly upkeep clean first before you get into the kind of detailed cleaning, the detailed decluttering. And in my cleaning caddy, I've just been swapping over my, I forgot to swap over my winter cleaner. Now I've put in my summer cleaner. Yay! As I said to you last week, we're coming up for Ascension in Denmark. Denmark is closed on Thursday. Some people also have Friday off. I'm going to be spending time with hubby and the family. So I'm going to give you your 4 self-care missions right now. So we are working in the heart of the home, Flylady Zone 2. First, mission number 1 is to shop your home and swap out something in the kitchen area. You know me, I like to have my candles. I've also got my little lamp that I can move around. Bring in a vase from another room, swap over the cushion covers, you know, if you've got a bench or a sitting area. Just these little small touches that are just going to make you feel like you've given yourself a little hug. Mission number 2 is to plan some meals that you don't normally plan, because maybe you're always planning your dinners, but you never plan your breakfast or your lunch, and you're eating the same old, same old. We're going to be mindful and plan something for yourself, because it's really nice for you to have something to look forward to. You know, maybe plan something a bit different for your breakfast. Mission number 3 is to invite a friend over for a cuppa. If you can't invite people over, or if you can't go out, how about you do a virtual cup of tea together? Many of you commented when we were talking about the Mother's Day, the self-care missions, and many of you said that you were organising a virtual tea party with friends. So invite somebody for a cuppa, or go out for a cup of tea, or do something virtual. Hold on, just bring you a wee bit down. Mission number 4, positive affirmations. And I read something fun the other day about putting them as the screensaver for your telephone or for your computer. And I've written down 3. Here's some ideas of what you could use. I will find joy in the small things today. You know, that's me. I love that. That's the art of Danish hygge, just finding joy in the small things. Today I will focus on the good in every situation. If you're a bit of a negative Nelly, maybe that positive affirmation might be good for you. And another one, I am grateful for this new day and all it brings. Hopefully you will be grateful for today's video. Like, subscribe. Hope I've motivated you. And I'm going to wrap it up there. I like to be mindful of your time. We may have gone over a few minutes, but I wanted you to make sure to get the self-care missions. As I said, I will be spending Thursday, Friday and the weekend with friends and family. So I shall see you next week. Have a brilliant week in Flylady Zone 2. Hope you got something decluttered. Let me know what it is. Let me just find my pom-poms. Found them. So all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the motivation hygge be with you, and I shall see you next week with a rap, rap, rap. Okay, bye for now.